Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, how is everyone doing? How is it going? I hope you guys are liking these videos that I'm dropping. Please guys, make sure you like, share and subscribe as also. So this is from Shein. So I'm just going in with a got to spray just to flatten the top bit down. So I'm just gonna go in there with the hot comb just to press it down a bit, just to see, just to get rid of it so it can look like the picture, because it kind of looks like the picture but not exactly like the picture, but hey ho. So I'm just going in, just checking to see if it's not burning, and it actually is heat resistant, so that is good. So you can use the heat on that, and I'm just going in, just trying to get rid of it, that just trying to flatten it as much as possible. And I'm trying to convince myself, is it actually going down? Oh yeah, it is going down. I think at this point I'm trying to convince myself if it's actually going down, but it's going down.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So I'm going in with the concealer on the parting just to kind of let it blend a little bit more with my complexion. I did have to redo it again because I went back in with the She Glam, which I found kind of blended more with my complexion. And the She Glam I got from Shein, just have a look on the website and you'll see it. There's loads of different complexion and it is really good. I definitely recommend it. It does wonders. It is quite good and it's quite thick as well. So let's talk more about this unit. So this unit is a 34-inch. It is very long. It's not shiny. It's not too shiny. I don't think it's shiny at all. So it just looks just right. It came in 3 different colors. So we got the 1B, which I have on now, and blonde. They had blonde and a caramel blonde. So I'm just running my fingers through it and I think I am happy with the end results. Yeah, it's not shiny, it's just right. So that is it for me guys. So enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
So then, why?